Pani Aluwa is another delicious Avurudu recipe. Since we have done so many Aluwa recipes before, this one will also be very easy for you. If you haven't seen my previous Aluwa recipes, you can get them all in Avurudu recipe playlist in my channel. Like we do every day, the first thing we need to do is prepare the board. For that, dust some roasted rice flour on a flat surface. Then we need to heat sugar and treacle under medium heat. When sugar dissolves completely, add salt and ground cardamom. Now we need to heat this under medium heat until it comes to the correct level. When the mixture becomes a little bit thick, switch off the flame and add peanuts. Don't wait until it pours down like a thick line. Then gradually add flour and mix quickly. If you make aluwa for the first time, reserve around half a cup of treacle before adding flour. In any case, if you add too much flour, you can use this reserved treacle. When this becomes a soft dough, spread this on the prepared tray. Level the dough by dusting rice flour on top. Now you can cut this into desired shapes. Before storing, make sure to apply rice flour all over aluwa pieces. Then they won't stick to each other. See you soon with another delicious recipe. Please subscribe my channel and ring the bell.